Okay, hi beloved. So it's been a long time, but I'm back. I'm back. So a lot has happened and grabe talaga. I just wanna testify yung faithfulness talaga ni Lord. Talaga grabe yung faithfulness and yung goodness talaga ni Lord that He never let go of me. And talagang lagi niya akong ina-assure that I'm okay and that I belong to the Lord. Ayun. So ayan. So I just um wanna take this moment talaga to really thank the Lord and to testify of God's goodness and grace to me. And ayun, so now it's daily devotional again. It's daily devotional again. Ayan, kasi I'm so thankful to the Lord. Talaga, He is faithful and I'm so thankful that He loves me. So, for the verse for today is Psalms chapter 46 verse 10. Psalms chapter 46 verse 10. This is one of my favorite verse. And this is one of the verse that I kept on seeing pag nagsastruggle ako. Ayan. So, in this verse it is written, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the heathen. I will be exalted in the earth." So here, may command si Lord. The command of the Lord is to be still. So, I'm really practicing that personally. Talagang I'm practicing that to be still. And in my prayer time, talagang I'm just, yung just being still and just listening to the Lord. Kasi prayer is not just me speaking to the Lord, but the Lord speaking to me. It's a two-way conversation. It's a relationship. It's a relationship. So, in my prayer time, that's really where I listen to the Lord and I ask the Lord for directions and I get strength from the Lord and I praise the Lord. Talaga yun yung just it's yung I'm just like a child, ganon, like a child, very dependent to the Lord. Kasi nga sabi nga ni Lord, 'di ba, na yung may sinabi siya doon yung as little children. Ayan, Matthew chapter 18 verse 3. And said, "Verily I say unto you, except ye be converted and become as little children, you shall not enter into the kingdom of heaven." So how is children ba? 'Di ba? Children are eager to learn. They want to listen and they obey what uh what is instructed to them by their parents, 'di ba? And yun yung that's the picture na dito, 'di ba? Yun yung picture that as little children. So, in order for anyone to go into the kingdom of heaven, dapat like as little children, that humble heart, that humility to really be dependent on the Lord, that humility to really ask the Lord what to do, where to go, and to really acknowledge that the Lord's the Lord's ways are higher and the Lord's thoughts are higher. So it's really trusting in the Lord always. So yung verse for today is to be still and know that the Lord is God. 'Di ba? Be still. It's a command. We are called to be still. All beloved daughters of God out there. So this is an encouragement to be still if you feel like parang there are so many chaos na and you don't know what to do, you don't know where to go. Just be still and listen to the Lord. Just be still and ask the Lord for directions. Just be still and ask the Lord for encouragement. Just be still and just listen to what the Lord will tell you. Because beloved, all beloved daughters of God, you are children of God, and you are you are sheep of the Lord. And 'di ba, you hear the Lord because the Lord said, "My sheep hear my voice and they follow me." So ayan. So in order for us to hear the Lord, of course, we need to listen, 'di ba? To listen, to be in that prayer mode, to really be dependent to the Lord, to be as little children. So ito, 'di ba, in the verse, be still and know. It's very important to know the meaning of know. It's very important to It's very important to define what no means. Kasi yung no in the Bible, it is used for intimacy. 'Di ba? It is used nun pa lang in the book of Genesis, it is used on an intimate relationship between a husband and a wife. 'Di ba? Nagamit yung no doon. And it means intimacy. It means really knowing, really that deep conviction to really know that whatever happens, you know. Yun, ganon. And ang ganda nun kasi this is an encouragement for us, beloved daughters of God, to know, to really have that sense of knowing, to have that intimacy with the Lord, that we know that He is God, and that whatever happens, He is in control. So, 'di ba, as beloved daughters of God, 'di ba, we as the beloved daughters of God, we should know that the Lord is in control always. So sometimes kasi I have this tendency to panic. Like if I don't understand what's going on, if kahit konting cough lang ng babies ko, I tend to panic, like what's happening to my baby? Are they okay? And then pag there are like financial troubles, I get to panic. So I have that tendency to panic. But kaya nga this is one of my favorite verse kasi the Lord is telling me to be still and know that He is God and that He is in control and that I don't have to worry. So yun, beloved, it's really an encouragement for us to not worry about anything, to just be still and know that the Lord is God and that He is taking care of us and that we are in His hand and that we are protected and that He loves us with a perfect love. And perfect love casteth out fear. 'Di ba? So we don't have to fear. So ayan. Kasi talaga this past few days I have been really struggling. It's really a battle, but I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, and I am more than a conqueror through Christ who loved me. 'Di ba? Ayun. So I can say that victorious na. Yay! Praise the Lord. So ayan, beloved, let this be an encouragement for us all to just be still and know that the Lord is God, that He is in control, that He will be exalted. 'Di ba? Sabi dito in Psalms 46:10. 'Di ba? Here it says, 'di ba? Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the heathen. I will be exalted in the earth. So the Lord will be exalted in the earth. So whatever is happening, talagang the Lord is God. And we should trust in the Lord with all our heart. Kasi He loves us and He will always take care of us. Ayun, beloved, may this encourage you and may you be blessed as you listen to this devotional. Bye. I love you all.